Hi everybody, this is Star with H&S Designs Now, and today we're going to have an unboxing, in this case unbagging. Sorry, I hit my camera. This package right here is sent to me from a website called L Beads. Beads and Findings. They contacted me and asked if, I would basically trade doing a few videos in trade for some supplies. They said I could make an unboxing video as well as a couple of tutorials. So, I took a look around. Had a couple of ideas in mind for some tutorials that are fairly simple for you guys, but nonetheless, good ideas. And I wanted to show you guys the website. And it was fairly easy to maneuver around. They had what looked like some pretty good products. They've got some sales going on sometimes. I know they have on acrylic beads up to 85% off and other things like that. And some pretty good little deals going on. But we're mostly here to take a look at what I ordered. And honestly, I can't even remember what I ordered. And I just got through looking at my receipt. And I'm like, what did I get again? Huh? So, yeah. We're going to be taking a look at this. Make sure nothing's in this side so I don't mess it up. Okay, go ahead and get that open. Okay, nicely packaged, I will say that. Pretty sure nothing has been ruined. So I'll get my scissors again. And, so I will say they did a really good job of making sure that products are packaged nicely. And I will definitely reuse the bubble wrap for my Etsy shop for processing orders. Let's see if I can get this open. Here we go. Flip it around. There we go. That's some good bubble wrap too. So, just kind of do this. There's my invoice. I like the big bag too. I like that they put it in one big bag. I can actually reuse that. That's a really good bag. Alright, so let's see what we have. Okay. What's that? Okay. So we'll start off with the big stuff right here. This, let's see. I'm pretty sure this is beading wire. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is beading wire. I had purchased this because I actually have plenty of beading wire now. But I thought, I want to try to get all the supplies for tutorials at once. Instead of using what I've got, I'm going to try to use what they, give me, what I can get from them. So I did get this. We'll see how it goes. Let's see if I can get this apart real quick. It's a pretty good little size spool. I will say that. It's a pretty good size spool of beading wire. And it seems okay, what I can tell. I have to completely take it apart, and I'm going to try to avoid that for the moment. So, next, I did get some crystal thread, 8mm. Again, a pretty good little bag. I like that. Can definitely reuse that. And so, yeah, crystal thread, 8mm, 100-meter roll. That's not bad. And I don't know the prices right off the top of my head. I didn't pull all that up on the website as I was doing this. So the next thing I have, let's see, this is a little moon. I'm not sure what I was going to do. I don't know. But this is stuff that I ordered. I was just trying to find things that you guys might like to see. It's oh, that is pretty, isn't it? That's a very pretty moon. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I like the shape. It seems really nice and sturdy. It's a good color, you know, everything. So, okay, that's good. Next, some rose quartz beads. I want to say, let's see, 6mm right there. 6mm. That's, it says it's 5 strands. If that's 5 strands, that's a lot. Oh yeah, that's 5 strands. So, and they seem pretty nice. Really good quality. They seem to be. It's really awesome. I'm getting excited, dude. Y'all, I'm getting excited for whatever it was that I was trying to come up with to show you guys how to make, because I can't even remember. Lord of mercy. And then these are connectors. They're gold. I think what I tried to do is I tried to come up with something for a bracelet. And I was trying to match colors, I think, and I think I couldn't match colors, so I was like, okay, I'll try this and this. I don't know. Let's see. Here we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Yeah, they're gold. Okay. Yeah. Let's see what they look like. I do like that. That's cute. Yeah. That's really cute. A little on the thin side. But I think almost anything that's gold is on the thin side. That's just my thought. I don't know for sure because I don't work with a lot of gold. I use more silver, more slightly natural tones. It just seems it sells better and it does better. Let's see what this one is, because it's some kind of connector too. I think this is a rose gold connector. Poor little thing's on there all by itself. Yeah, little rhinestone studded. Little rhinestone studded one. I really like that. That's cute. Very cute. I really like that. Okay. Trying to remember to put things back up. And get things out of the way. And then we've got more beads. These are, yep, 4mm. 4mm amethyst, I believe. These are 6mm. Yep, these are 6mm. I wanted to avoid taking them out of the bag, but y'all get a better look at them when I take them out of the bag. So I'll take them out of the bag. They seem to be fairly nice. Oops. If I can actually get a hold of any of them. And 5 strands, just like promised. They're really nice, actually. They're slightly transparent, but it's not that big of a deal. Not that we couldn't work with that. They're still really nice. I really like that. I really like those. I'm going to look at these. 'Cause these look like they have... It's just 1 strand on this one. And that's okay. I really like how those are. I like the little... not the textures, but just the look of the beads. It has a different look to it. I really like those. I really like these. These are pretty. Ooh, now I'm really excited. And let's see. What are these? These are crimp covers. Yes, these are crimp covers. So I think what I was going to do is I was going to use some of this stuff. Yeah, I know what I was going to do. And also I'll give you a hint to the future video. Okay. I have to somehow figure out how to wrap this. This was the only thing that I could not get from them was wire. I am stuck on my... parawire. They're not sponsoring this video. L-Beads are. But I have to use my wire, my parawire. I was going to somehow wrap the moon, the amethyst moon, and then I was going to string along the beads for a necklace. So that'll be a future video for you guys to watch. And I wanted to get, let's see, yeah, I got these because it has a mix of colors, as you can see in it. Because I didn't see any packs of just rose gold. because like these also just spacer beads, they're rose gold, so I was trying to match colors and everything to get everything to look better. Just little connectors, little butterfly and flower connectors that are actually very cute. I believe rose gold. Yeah, these are rose gold color. It can be hard for me to tell between rose gold and just plain gold. And of course, you saw the spacer beads there. So that is what I ordered and received from lbeads.com. And overall, I would say this was a pretty good little haul. Had I had more time to look, I probably could have gotten more or better or whatever, but I got what I got. And so we do have 2 ideas for a future video. We're going to make some kind of amethyst necklace and something with rose quartz. Yeah. So you guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you will look down in the description below, we will have an exclusive discount code for you guys. Just go to lbeads.com, place your order, put in the discount code, and you can save some money that way. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you have not liked this video. If you do like it, and stay tuned for 2 future tutorials coming soon. Y'all have a great day, and we will see you later. Bye-bye.